New at 9, a construction worker is dead after being hit by a driver while on the job. The 47-year-old was hit and killed yesterday while working along I-80 near LaSalle. Rob Sneed spoke with his grieving family tonight and joins us now from Bridgeport with their plea for drivers. Rob.
Yeah, that plea tonight: when you see a worker on the side of the road, pull over and slow down, follow the rules of the road. Now tonight I had the chance to speak with that worker's twin sister. She told me losing her brother feels like she lost a part of herself.
I can't believe my twin brother is gone. And
all this grieving sister has are memories now. Maria Pirelli's twin, Mark Pirelli, died instantly on I-80 West at mile point 44. State troopers say Robert Bowen from Macomb crashed into the 47-year-old as he stood outside of his work truck.
And I did not get to say goodbye. And I hope that the man who is responsible realizes that there was a fatality and there's a grieving family, and I hope it was an accident.
Pirelli and her fiance Mark Moore remembers this father of two as a gentle giant who made children smile. He loved Halloween so much that he created award-winning figures and decorations each year. Each year, he tried to outdo himself.
Nothing's gonna ruin this Halloween. He's gonna go all out and he's gonna make a really cool lighted up display for the kids this year. And I'm so sad that he didn't get to follow through with it.
Through their tears, Pirelli's family wants everyone to learn from this. Follow the rules of the road.
Mark was a loving son, father, husband, brother, uncle, and friend to many. And he was taken from us senselessly. Man full of life. Slow down. Pay attention out there.
I love you so much. He's the other half of me. We went through life together, me and my twin, all through school. I connect with him mentally. I feel like a huge part of me is gone.
And that driver was cited for failure to yield the right-of-way in a construction zone. Reporting live, Rob Sneed, WGN News.